Welcome to our channel. Today we how to remove autofill data in Safari, browser reset step by step clearly. Open Safari on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac and keep it on the main window. On iPhone or iPad, tap the Settings app to control Safari's saved data. Scroll down in Settings and tap Safari to open Safari options. Find the option called AutoFill and tap it to view saved autofill items. Turn off Use Contact Info if you do not want Safari to suggest your personal details. Turn off names and passwords if you want to stop saved login suggestions. Turn off credit cards if you want to stop card suggestions. Tap saved credit cards and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. Delete any stored cards by tapping Edit, selecting the card, and tapping Delete. Go back one screen and tap Saved Passwords to manage stored logins. Authenticate, then delete unwanted website logins by tapping Edit and then Delete. Now return to the Safari settings page to clear browsing-related stored data. Tap Clear History and Website Data to remove history, cookies, and site data. Confirm the action and wait a few seconds for Safari to finish clearing. If you want a deeper reset, tap Advanced at the bottom of the Safari settings page. Tap Website Data to see data stored by individual websites. Tap Remove All Website Data and confirm to clear everything listed there. If you use iCloud Keychain, open Settings, tap your Apple ID, then tap iCloud. Tap Passwords and Keychain and decide whether to keep syncing or turn it off temporarily. On Mac, open Safari and click Safari in the top menu, then choose Settings or Preferences. Click the Autofill tab to see what Safari is allowed to fill in automatically. Uncheck options like using information from my contacts if you want less autofill. Click Edit next to usernames and passwords, then remove the entries you do not want. Click Edit next to credit cards, then remove stored cards you do not want. Next, click the Privacy tab to remove stored site tracking data. Click Manage Website Data, then click Remove All and confirm. Click the History menu at the top and choose Clear History for a full history wipe. Restart Safari to make sure the changes apply and test by clicking a form field on any site. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.